Well, today I'm going to talk about SCO. The Shanghai Cooperation Organization summit is scheduled to be held in Islamabad soon, October 15 to 16. The special features of the event is that it will be attended by an Indian delegation. It is unfortunate that there is still uncertainty about the security situation in the federal capital owing to the tactics adopted by main opposition party in the country. The party's attitudes is rather strange as maturity intenti. It should have itself announced to holding back its protests. The delegates should be welcomed by the political leadership of Pakistan collectively as a mark of a united belief that the SCO is the forum that can play a strong role in fostering regional cooperation. As things stand, Pakistan Army has been called to provide security to the participants of the SCO summit meetings and to oversee the security of key governments buildings in and around the red zone in Islamabad. One really fails to understand why the opposition party so poorly values the image of the country. The questions does boggles in my mind. Think about it. Pakistan Zindabad, Pakistan Army Pindabad.